Number 5.
Introducing the Bora Dado Router Guide. Get straight dados using your router. Designed to work with the Bora WTX Clamp Edge Saw Guide, it fits almost any router. Cut a dado up to 3/4 of an inch wide using any smaller size router bit.
Number 4.
Impact Performance Series Bolt Grip Extractors from Irwin. The Bolt Grip Extractors feature reverse spiral flutes that dig into the metal to give maximum gripping power. Both include a universal lobular design that adjusts to fit all types of fasteners.
The marine environment's one of the harshest on the planet, and corrosion and rust on screws and bolts aboard has been a daily problem for years, and we've never really had a good way to deal with it until now. And Irwin's got a new line of screw and bolt extractors. They make our lives a lot easier, save a heck of a lot of time.
Impact Performance Series from Irwin.
Number 3.
Introducing the Portamate PM8000 Portacube STR, the revolutionary portable workstation and storage center, designed to get the most out of your miter saw. Does it feel like every time you start a project, you struggle to find space in your crowded workshop? The Portamate Portacube STR is your solution to a crowded workspace. The Portacube STR's compact footprint is uniquely designed for portable storage of your miter saw. And when fully expanded, it will provide up to 7 feet of working surface. Using the universal tool mounts, almost any size miter saw can be attached to the Portacube STR's unique rotating base. Heavy-duty 10-inch wheels and a retractable locking handle makes moving simple and easy. When you're ready to get to work, your miter saw easily rotates from its stored position and locks securely in place. Side extension wings and adjustable tool tables raise and lock into position. And adjustable feet can be used for leveling on uneven surfaces. With the Portacube STR fully expanded, you are ready to start making cuts with your miter saw. When cutting is complete, rotate your saw back into storage and the Portacube STR transforms into a 7-foot work surface, perfect for working on additional projects you may have. When your work is finished, simply return the Portacube STR to its compact size, raise the retractable handle, and easily roll it back into storage, ready for your next project. The Portacube STR is the perfect complement to your miter saw or other tabletop tool. Compact in size, It expands to a portable workstation and makes miter saw use and storage in your crowded workshop more efficient. To learn more, visit Portamate.com.
Number 2.
In today's tough market, people are looking for an edge to run a profitable business and stay ahead of their competitors. Working efficiently is the key to doing that, and doing things that cost you time, like cleanup, can be greatly minimized with proper dust extraction. Dust control is an integral part of the Festool system and design philosophy by collecting the dust as it's made, where it's made. Festool offers a full line of dust extractors optimized for the way you work. The CT Mini and CT Midi are Festool's most portable mobile dust extractors. The CT26, CT36, and CT48 are Festool's most capable and versatile mobile dust extractors. All of these units feature HEPA filters and carry full unit HEPA certification. Good dust extraction starts at the tool and ends with clean air being returned to the room. For Festool, dust extraction is the primary consideration of the tool's design. Whether it is our Jetstream and multi-Jetstream pad designs for our sanders, or the efficient internal shrouding and channeling that makes our tools able to capture the dust as it happens. Different tools make different chips or sawdust. Routers and planers make larger shavings that, although may be easier to clean up than the finer dust of saws or sanders, those larger chips spread debris over a larger area in a very short time. With a sander, the size of the dust particle coming off is about the same size as the grit on the sandpaper. So the finer the paper, the finer the dust. The finer the dust, the more it contaminates the area in ways that are both seen and unseen. What is seen as sanding swarf left on the surface that has to be removed before any finish can take place. What is unseen are the smaller particles that hang in the air for hours or even days. In the workshop, this means these particles later descend on finished surfaces. On the job site, like someone's home, that dust gets into and onto every surface. It gets into appliances and electronics, it gets into the HVAC system, and it gets into their lungs while they sleep. No one likes to live through a remodeling job because of the mess and the disturbance. The nuisance of dust is one disturbance that can be greatly minimized through proper dust extraction. Festool dust extractors have many features. One feature is the tool-triggered auto-start capability. Whenever the tool is cycled on, the vacuum attached to it fires up automatically as well. Likewise, when the tool is cycled off, the vacuum also cycles off. Another quality to consider includes variable suction force, the ability to control airflow as it's needed. This is particularly critical for sanding operations. The hose connection is designed to mate with all the different port types on our power tools. This detail means that you have secure connections and don't need to waste time with makeshift solutions. The SysDock feature turns the CT into a mobile transport system. You can easily stack, secure, and move an entire set of tools at one time, which gets you into and out of the job site faster. In the shop, it contributes to workplace organization, which enhances efficiency by keeping the tools where you work. Unlike traditional canister-style vacuums, the CT dust extractors feature a flat filter and containment area. This flat design enables greater capacity by keeping the filter out of the containment area. When used in conjunction with Festool self-cleaning filter bags, the flat design allows the filter bag to function in a way that helps prevent clogging of the bag for greater airflow. To ensure maximum suction performance, a sealing gasket on the head unit creates a tight seal, which prevents leakage or loss of suction. The parking brake can be easily engaged and unlocked with the foot and provides a stable platform whenever needed. Cleaning sets further expand the dust extractor platform by providing several options including large diameter hoses for increased airflow, nozzles, crevice tools, tubes, and floor sweeps. There are many other accessories that can amplify the function of the CT dust extractors. The boom arm keeps the hose off the material and out of the way, ensuring that the surface is protected while dust is being extracted. The work center keeps all the tools and other things you need at the place of work, which reduces time lost searching for tools, and that provides more time to get the work done. In the shop or at home, dust control can't be an afterthought. Not if you want to save yourself the time, cost, and mess of dealing with it later. Festool offers a wide range of dust extraction solutions to minimize cleanup, improve finish results, and work more efficiently than ever. Whether in the shop or on the job site, increase your productivity with a Festool dust extractor.
Number 1.
If you love turning but hate the tedious and time-consuming sharpening that goes with it, you need to take a look at Woodpecker's new Ultra Shear Turning Tools. These revolutionary new turning tools feature razor-sharp replaceable carbide inserts that have been carefully engineered to cut cleaner and last longer than any other carbide insert on the market. Shaping your project with UltraShear tools couldn't be simpler. First, adjust your tool rest so the cutting edge is on the center line of your lathe. Keep your tool level with the floor and press into the stock, moving side to side, creating the profile you want. Use the square insert tool for initial roughing and for outside curves or beads. Use the round insert tool for inside curves or coves. The round insert also works great for hollowing bowls. The sharp detail tool inscribes precise lines to accent your work. There's also an optional radius detail tool for fine beads and coves. Now, here's the feature that separates UltraShear from all the others. When your project is nearly complete, roll the tool right or left on your tool rest until it's sitting flat on one of the alternate bearing surfaces. Now the cutting insert is on a 45-degree angle to the stock. Make another, lighter cut, still keeping the tool level with the floor. You'll notice the cut is much cleaner, needing little or no sanding. Let's take a closer look at how each component of the UltraShear tool comes together to make the best carbide insert turning tool on the market. The tool shank is milled from a special chromoly steel, tough enough to be used for NASCAR roll cages. After machining, the shanks go through a two-stage heat treating process that makes the shaft rigid and smooth, minimizing vibration and making the tool glide easily across your tool rest. And the sides are tapered to prevent interference in your tightest cuts. The seats for each insert are carefully designed to provide full support, bracing the insert with at least 3 points of contact. The tool handles are turned from rock maple with a hand-rubbed oil finish. Aircraft-grade aluminum ferrules support the handle where the tool shank is pressed in, and the end cap protects the handle from splitting and indicates the tool's shape and size. You'll never pull the wrong tool out of the rack. The cutting inserts are formed from a nano-grain carbide, and the materials in the carbide matrix have been carefully blended to make sure the inserts are tough as well as fine-grained. When an edge finally dulls, just loosen the screw and rotate the cutter to a fresh edge. When all edges have been worn, simply replace the insert with a new one. Available everywhere UltraShear tools are sold. Plus, each tip is laser engraved with its replacement part number. No need to try and hunt up an old package when it's time for a replacement. Put it all together and you get super clean cuts, straight off the tool that need minimal sanding. Spend more time turning and no time sharpening. And like all woodpeckers' tools, UltraShear wood turning tools are precision made in the USA.